Hello, everyone, and a very happy new year. Welcome to the 17.9 kickoff for pipeline execution. My name is Rutvik Shah. I'm the product manager of the pipeline execution group, which covers continuous integration, merge trains, code testing and coverage, job artifacts, and pipeline report category. Vitika, our product designer, joins me, and together we'll present our plans for the 17.9 milestone. So let me first start with the first party GitHub integration initiative. This capability will support running pipelines on GitLab with GitHub SCM. And on the research side, we are running a foundational research to understand how users using an external SCM tool would want to integrate with GitLab CI. We'll be interviewing a few participants in this process. If your organization is looking forward to this integration, feel free to reach out to me at rutshah@gitlab.com, which is my email ID, so we could include you in our study. So besides the research, this milestone focuses on completing the design review. The current proposal leverages GitHub Actions, and it'd be great to get your feedback on the approach. Uh, we will also be starting and iterating on the UX, and then finalizing the MVC scope. You can keep track of the scope under this heading here, which goes over what is in scope for the MVC, and as well as what we plan to do in future iterations. Besides that, we are also planning to fix a bug related to inaccurate artifact usage calculation. So we have an issue where GitLab.com users are experiencing inaccurate artifact calculations, particularly when they remove an artifact. Previously there was a Rails console workaround, but it's no longer working. And so our primary objective for this issue is to investigate the cause of this workaround failure and reinstate the ability of our support team to assist our customers. Uh, at this point, let me pass it to Vedika to go over our UX plans.
Thanks, Ritvik. Um, yeah, so on the UX side, there's a couple of issues that we are looking at besides the foundational study for GitHub SCM. Um, this one, which says allow users to access security scan artifact from job page. So today, for premium users, a very like toned down version of security report appears on security widget appears on the merge request page, and they don't have access to like a full-blown report on the pipeline detail page like the ultimate users do. And ultimate users also get to see an overview of the findings in the merge request. But when we move to the job logs page, something that we figured out was the relationship between artifacts and the security scanner reports. It's not made very clear here. It's just a download button that users see, and when they click on it, a report gets downloaded. So we just wanted to make sure that we are very clearly stating here what would happen, like what does this download contain, what kind of report, and if they wish to see the details of the report, if they are an ultimate customer, we are also going to provide them with a link that would take them straight away to the detected vulnerabilities right from here, so they don't really have to navigate to many different links to be able to get to that. That's one. And then we also started to look at like what are the different places where we surface the reports, the security scanner reports, and whether or not it's easier for users to like understand from just one glimpse which was the nature of the report. Like, is it security, is it SaaS test or anything else? So one place that we identified is again, like on the lists that is surfaced for artifacts on the merge request page, on the, I would say, pipeline list view, where there's an artifact download button and the list appears. we do use file type. Like there's an indication of what is the file type. But again, like when we go to the job logs page, there is no indication of the file type there. And we want to like add it there. Right now, we are still like thinking about if we can just place a badge. Ritvik, if you can go to the previous solution, the previous tab that was open. So yeah, here you see like the title job artifacts, maybe closer to that. We can add a badge that also appears on the artifact detail page. That's one path we are exploring, but yeah, it's not final yet. Keep an eye out. We would definitely make it easier for you to identify the report type, the file type here. And that should be all.
Thank you, Vitika. Yeah, so I think that's our plans for 17.9 milestone. Please let us know if you have any feedback by commenting on the video or on the planning issue. Well, I'll drop a link in the description. Thank you so much.